NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 8. If triangle ABC is right angled at C, then the value of cos of A plus B is option A 0, option B 1, option C 1 by 2, and option D root 3 by 2. Let us find the answer. We are given that in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degrees. We know that in any triangle, sum of all the three angles is 180 degrees. That implies from triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. We are given angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Let us substitute that value. That implies angle A plus angle B plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. Now let us apply cos function on both sides. Cos of A plus B is equal to cos of 90 degrees. From standard trigonometric values, cos of 90 degrees is 0. From the given options, 0 is option A. Therefore, if triangle ABC is right angled at C, then the value of cos of A plus B is option A 0.